Another long away day and another early start. The things I do for you. I'll see you at Peterhead. And here we are in very, very sunny Peterhead for a huge game. I'm getting my rubbish training off. I don't know what that was about, but I don't know if you can hear me over the wind, but massive game today. A very, really big game. As Stirling and Albion are away to Peterhead as we face Peterhead, who are second, I think, if not third, in the table, having so far a very good season. They have bet us twice so far this season. Here 2-1, at home 3-2 in that comeback, which wasn't ideal. So I'm hoping we can get our first one against them this season. Get revenge for what they did to us last two times, mainly last time. This is a big game, so I would take a draw today. I'm going to say one each, but the sun is shining, hopefully Stirling's shining on that pitch today and gets a very important win. So yeah, we're going to head into the ground super soon. I don't think the turnstiles are open yet because we're here a bit early, but once they do open, we'll get in there and hope for a Stirling 3 points. We really need it. Score prediction 1-1. We really do need this one. But let's get in there. Let's hope we get a massive 3 points to take down the road. Come on, the Beanhouse. That's us in. Lovely day for it. The stadium's very good. I'm going to give it 8 out of 10. It's a very nice stadium. Come on, Stirling! Yeah, come on! Come on, Stirling! Oh my god. We're 10 minutes in, the referee's cheated us already. 1-0 to Peterhead. That should have been a free kick earlier on. I don't get it. It's been coming. 1-0. Oh, that is some ball. Come on! We're back at level terms. Go on. That lasted a long time. That lasted long. Get away! Yes, Derek. Half time at the Balmoor Stadium. 2-1 Peterhead. And actually an okay first half, I've got to be honest. We are losing, but we're playing a lot better. I think the players are doing quite well today. We got that goal, that was a good goal. Similar one to the goal we got last time here, not for a free kick though. But then, like 30 seconds later is what it felt like. We conceded again, and same goal as the first one. Mistake in the 6 yard in the box, I don't know what box it was, and they scored. And yeah, very gutted at that actually. But we need to fight in the second half. We need to get this equaliser and the other goal to win, and hopefully we come back down the road with 3 points. Come on, the winners. Come on, Stirling. Good ball. Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Come on! Yeah! Come on, we've just equalised for the second time in this game. Let's get the winner, come on! Go on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Really, I feel a goal. Hey. Come on, Stirling. Let's get this goal. Very important. That's not what we wanted. Again. Oh my! Come on! Oh my gosh, that is. Oh dear. Yes, Derek. Go on, go on. Go on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. Away, don't give it away there. Yes. And no. were doing so well. Right, they did not deserve that, by the way. That was just lucky. Still a little bit of time, but we need to defend that better. Oh! Go again! Yes! That'll do. Oh no. I keep playing the same kind of football. Oh no! There's a corner. Anymore, just see this out and don't even bother. Score. Don't want this. They're wasting time so they can win it. And they're trying to score. Oh, that is so heartbreaking. 3-2 full time. Gutted. I'm so gutted at that. Oh my god, man. I am so gutted. I am gutted. That was heartbreaking. That was cruel. That was a very cruel game. My glass has just steamed up, I think. I'm getting into the cold to the warm. It's gutting. I'm gutted. The players should be gutted. They played so well today. But I do see us doing quite well in the future with that performance today. Take that into next week. Not concede as many goals. That's what's getting me. We might be alright, but that is heartbreaking. 3-2 it finishes. It's just not good. I can't tell you how gutted I am. I really am. Just so upset, man. I know it's a tough team, Peterhead. They really are, and we probably should have took our chances, but it is what it is. I'm just very gutted, right? It is heartbreaking that is sore, very, very sore. But we move on to next week. We're at home to Bonnyrigg Rose. If it's on, I don't know what the weather's meant to be like. I think it's meant to be quite cold actually. But I'm so gutted. I'm going to keep saying it. It's so heartbreaking. The players, start to finish, we fought and we tried so hard. But yeah, we move on, and I hope we do get the win next week. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Good game, good 5 goals, good to see. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys. Man the winners.